Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a delicious and easy pull-apart bread called monkey bread. This bread is always a winner at get-togethers and parties, and it tastes just like you're eating a cinnamon roll. Once this gets out of the oven with the icing on the top, it barely lasts 5 or 10 minutes. And after you make this, you'll know why. Let's get started. Start out by adding 3/4 of a cup of warm milk and 1/4 of a cup of water. Add 1/4 of a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of active yeast. Then add 1 large room temperature egg and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1/4 of a cup of room temperature unsalted butter cut into cubes. Then add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You may need anywhere between 3 1/4 of a cup to 3 3/4 of a cup of flour. Just depends on the type of flour. Now I added 3 1/4 of a cup of flour. You want your dough to clean the bowl. It may be a little sticky consistency, but as long as it cleans the bowl, then your dough should be ready. And by cleaning the bowl, this is what you want it to look like. You want to brush some oil in a bowl and add your dough to it. And we're going to let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. This is what my dough looks like after 1 hour. It looks like it rose very nicely. And now we're going to spread it a little bit and we're going to cut it into 36 pieces. Now each piece you want to roll it up into a ball shape. Here I have 1/2 cup of melted butter, and I'm going to go ahead and butter up my bundt pan, and we're going to use this butter for our recipe. Then you need 1 cup of sugar mixed in with 1/2 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Now you're going to take each ball of dough, dip it in your butter, and then dip it in your cinnamon sugar. Then add them evenly into your bundt pan. Make sure you leave a little bit of space between each ball of dough because we're going to cover this with a moist towel and let it rise for 45 minutes before baking. If you have any leftover butter or cinnamon sugar, you can add it to the top. And this is what it looks like after letting it rest for 45 minutes. It's ready for a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. While it's in the oven, go ahead and get ready your glaze. Now, traditional monkey bread doesn't have a glaze on it, but I added this twist because it gives it such a delicious flavor and it tastes just like a cinnamon roll. I added half a cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add your heavy whipping cream in batches to get to the thickness consistency that you want. I ended up adding 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. While your bread is still warm, pour over your cinnamon glaze and enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you and your loved ones enjoy it at home.